So in video 2 we got the LED flashing. In video 3 we will now turn the LED on when we press the switch. We'll also show you some basic debugging techniques built into Atmel Studio. So this was the status of the code where we left it, and what I'm going to do is take this out and make it a macro, the status of the LEDs. That was to turn the LED on. And to turn the LED off, it would simply be the opposite. So and then the pin B was to toggle the LED. Okay, so we have some 3 macros which we can use if we want to toggle or turn the LED on or off, and this can make the code quite readable. We'll take off out this, and what we're really wanting to do is if and going back to our schematic, we can see that pin B7 is connected to our switch. And what we want to do is, if this is low, because that'll be what will happen when we push the switch, so if pin B7 is low, then we want to turn the LED on, and if not, LED off. Okay, so let's figure out how to read a pin. Going back to the data sheet, we saw how to toggle the pin and switch reading the pin value. So independent of the setting of data direction, the port can be read through the pin register bit. So we're now going to look for the port to be low, so not, and we're going to AND the register pin B with the status of the bit that we're interested in. So 1 pin B7 is the switch. Okay, so this should now work. Just to be sure, let's turn the data direction register B for the switch to an input. B7. Okay. And let's test if it works. So programming, and we now push, and we can see our LED is on or off. But let's also use some of the debugging features within Studio to see how we could understand this as well. Okay, so now I can see the port B register, and I can see pin B is high, and as we single step here, we see that we have now set the data direction register B and B5, but nothing changes in the next step because it was low anyway. Now we can see that the first test of pin B7, well, we know that it is high, so as we step past this, we can see our LED stays off. Let's hold the switch down now, and as we step, we can see that the pin goes low with surrounded by a red outline. You can see that that means it's just been changed, and now if we step, our LED is on. Thank you.